Uh, Hi, Tarun.
Hi, Smita.
Thanks for being here with us. We are very happy and proud to have you here. I know you don't. I mean, I haven't seen more often of you here in NCR, and I'm actually very glad that you are here.
Thanks for the invite.
And okay, all right. I need to know what all do you test? What do you do? What do you enjoy most in testing?
Uh, See, I enjoy making tests more efficient, so that's why I enjoy doing automation. I have been a UTP slash UFT pro earlier. Now I explore doing it with Selenium and not only looking at automation from a testing perspective, but also at things like infrastructure setup. How do you automate that part, which comes as DevOps, but if more knowledgeable testing wherein you could do it end to end,
Yes.
from creating the test data to creating the environment to executing the test, reporting it, finding the bugs and everything. So how do you do better in that area? Those are the things that I enjoy.
In, I saw your topic. I think it was so far the most attended session of the day, right after James, which was obviously a combined part. But so what got you to this topic that a tester can be a CTO, or why should a tester think of being a CTO?
See, I would not say that we should consider that testing or manual testing is a bad thing, or CTO is a tag that you should run for or anything like that. The topic was more about you can switch careers
Yes.
just because you've been in one career for let's say 8 or 10 years does not mean you have to run that path. I think you have to take a call as to what you want to do in your life.
Correct.
So it's more about knowing what you enjoy doing more rather than doing what you have been just doing for the sake of doing it. So just because you are into something does not mean you have to remain in that area. So the topic was not about changing those tags like a manual tester to a CTO. It was more about the path you want to take in your career does not have to be hard-coded with the decisions you have taken in the start.
Awesome. So you mean there is always an alternate way, there is always some more to do. You
Yes,
don't have to
there-
feel stuck and you don't have to feel stagnant.
You can anytime take a U-turn also does not make a difference. It is not a very big thing. A lot of people in US do that. They are in military and they come into testing,
Correct.
development and all that. But in India, that is not the culture. People think a lot about.
People need to break down those walls and come out of them. Alright, so any message for testers here and obviously before that, how is your experience so far for this test?
It is great. I think the kind of people that we have here, the kind of gathering we have got for a first time conference that's happening in
Thank you so much, Tarun. We are
Thank you.
very happy to have you here. Thank you
Same.
so much.
Thank you.